Hyena Queen. In hyena dynasties, females are in charge. It's not the largest or strongest, but the one with the most allies that takes the crown. Malkia's had many sons, but only 2 daughters. A 3-week-old Zura and her big sister, Yeye. In hyena society, it's the youngest daughter that inherits the crown. But Zura's too young, and that leaves an opening for Aisha, Malkia's younger sister. She has her sister's crown in her sights. Both the hyenas and the lions want the same thing: food, territory, power.